Hey, what's up everybody? It's HAVOK. Today we're going to show you how to update the OS or the DSM on your Synology NAS. At Pwn to Own Ireland 2024, they found quite a few critical bugs in the DSM, and I haven't updated in a while, so I figured, hey, let's update and show you guys how to do it. So logged into my Synology NAS. This is a DS920 Plus. What we're going to do here is we're going to go over to Control Panel, and then we want to go to Update and Restore. And you can see here I'm a little bit behind. I'm on 7.0-41890, and the newest is 7.2.2-72806, update 2 at the time of this video. If you want to see release notes for the patch here, you can just click on that and it'll open up, information about that update. So released on 11/26. The big update actually released on here 11/5, so November 5th, and you can go here and look at these vulnerabilities. There's DDoS attacks. People can get into your NAS and run programs. They could get sensitive information off of your NAS. So definitely make sure you are working to update your NAS. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click download. We can also do manual DSM. If you do that, you have already downloaded the file. So I'll go ahead and click download. And the NAS will start to download the file. You see here 28%. Should go fairly quick. And we're already done. So we'll hit update now. Make sure you have your stuff backed up if you can, or at least some sort of redundancy going, just in case something happens here. So we'll go ahead and update, and the software will start to update. And it says during the update, the following services will be stopped: a virtual machine, etc. I think I have a virtual machine going, but it's just a junk Windows one. So I'm just going to click next. It can go ahead and do that. And then before you, make sure you read through all the important changes. So some of the Synology packages that I have installed, it's going to tweak some of that stuff. We'll do understand, update between 20 and 40 minutes. Don't shut down the system. Once the update is complete, the system will restart the packages and you'll be good to go. So we'll go ahead and click next. And then once it's done updating, we'll go ahead and come back to the video. After it does all the updates and everything, it's going to pop up this screen. Synology NAS is restarting. After a restarting process is complete, use your web assistant or Synology assistant to find the NAS on your network. You should be able just to go into the standard IP address to your Synology NAS, so go ahead and do that. If for some reason it doesn't show your Synology NAS here on the find screen, you can click don't see your Synology device here. And what that's going to do, it's going to instruct you to go download the Synology Assistant. The Synology Assistant works really well to help you find the NAS on your network. Let me go ahead and show you that. You'll see Synology Assistant automatically found my NAS. It shows you your version, the name of it. So what you can do, you can just click on it. You'll see you can do connect. It'll open up in the web browser, and there you go. Next, let's go ahead and sign into our NAS and take a look and make sure that everything is updated. Now that we're logged into the server, we can go ahead and go back up to Control Panel, and we'll see update and restore. And we are on the new version that we just did. Your DSM version is up to date. You might need to go back and repair some things. So I have iDrive here I use for backing up the NAS. It says it needs a repair. We can go ahead and repair it, and it'll just download and install and run the different packages it needs to repair that with the new version of the DSM. And the same thing with some other things here, like Synology Drive needs to be repaired and updated. So you can go ahead and run through all those and get those updated. But yeah, we did it. That is how you update the DSM version on your Synology NAS. Highly suggest you do that ASAP with those big security bugs they found. This patches all of those. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. If you have any questions on any of this, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. I'll do my best to kind of help you out. I'm enjoying the technology side here of doing the NASs and stuff. So as always, until next time, stay safe, have fun, and keep doing good.